At least 1 in 5 youth aged 9 to 17 years currently has a diagnosable mental health disorder that causes some degree of impairment. 1 in 10 has a disorder that causes significant impairment. The most common mental illness in adolescents are anxiety, mood, attention, and behavior disorders. Good morning, everyone. I am here to discuss about what is the importance of being aware to your mental health and how we can prevent mental illness. What is mental health? Mental health, defined by the World Health Organization, is a state of well-being in which the individual realizes his or her own abilities, can cope with the normal stresses of life, can work productively and fruitfully, and is able to make a contribution to his or her community. Being aware to your mental health helps you to determine how you can handle stress, relate to others, and make choices. Mental health is important at every stage of life, from childhood and adolescence through adulthood. Over the course of your life, if you experience mental health problems, your thinking, mood, and behavior could be affected. This program is structured based on the study, the importance of mental health awareness. The proponent wants to explain to the student what are the importance of being aware to your mental health and how you can prevent mental illness. This program aims to make the youth be aware to their mental health, to help youth to cope with their mental illness, to show what are the causes of mental health problems. What is mental illness? Mental illness, also called mental health disorders, refers to a wide range of mental health conditions. Disorders that affect your mood, thinking, and behavior. Examples of mental illness include depression, anxiety disorders, schizophrenia, eating disorders, and addictive behaviors. What causes mental illness? Although the exact cause of mental illness is not known, it is becoming clear through research that many of these conditions are caused by a combination of biological, psychological, and environmental factors. Here are the ways to prevent mental illness. First, you should value yourself. Treat yourself with kindness and respect and avoid self-criticism. Second, take care of your body. Taking care of yourself physically can improve your mental health. Be sure to eat nutritious meals, avoid cigarettes, drink plenty of water, exercise, which helps decrease depression and anxiety and improve moods, and get enough sleep. Third, give yourself. Volunteer your time and energy to help someone else. You'll feel good about doing something tangible to help someone in need. And it's a great way to meet new people. Fourth, learn how to deal with stress. Like it or not, stress is a part of life. Practice good coping skills. Try 1-minute stress strategies. Do Tai Chi, exercise, take a nature walk, play with your pet, or try journal writing as a stress reducer. Also remember to smile to see the humor in life. Research shows that laughter can boost your immune system, ease pain, relax your body, and reduce stress. Fifth, quiet your mind. Try meditating, mindfulness, or prayer. Relaxation, exercises, and prayer can improve your state of mind and outlook on life. In fact, research shows that meditation may help you feel calm and enhance the effects of therapy. Sixth, set realistic goals. Decide what you want to achieve academically, professionally, and personally, and write down the steps you need to realize your goals. Aim high, but be realistic and don't overschedule. You'll enjoy a tremendous sense of accomplishments and self-worth as you progress toward your goal. Next, break up the monotony. Although our routines make us more efficient and enhance our feelings of security and safety, a little change of pace can perk up a tedious schedule. Alter your jogging route, plan a road trip, take a walk in a different park, hang some new pictures, or try a new restaurant. 9. Avoid alcohol and other drugs. Keep alcohol use to a minimum and avoid other drugs. Sometimes, people use alcohol and other drugs to self-medicate, but in reality, alcohol and other drugs only aggravate problems. For the last example, get help when you need it. Seeking help is a sign of strength, not a weakness. And it is important to remember that treatment is effective. People who get appropriate care can recover from mental illness and addiction and lead full, rewarding lives. So, what is the focus of this program? The focus of this program is to tell youth students what is the importance of being aware to your mental health, what causes and how to prevent mental illness. By showing them many information about mental health, mental illness, and how to cope with it, they will now know the importance of being aware to their mental health. They will know why they have mental illness, and they will know how to prevent this kind of health condition. On this program, we will give activities to the students for them to answer. Program title: Kaagapay ng Kabataan Mental Health Safety and Awareness Program. Problem statement: Students that may now know why they have mental illness. Program objective statement: To show students how to prevent mental illness. Program implementers selected grade 11 student. Benefits of the program: The students will now know why some of them experiencing mental illness and how to cope and prevent this kind of health condition. Outcome of the program: The students will be more aware of their mental health, and taking care of their mental health is essential. This is our work plan matrix and program implementation plan. After the students have listened to our explanation about mental health and mental illness, they should now have an idea about why some youth are experiencing mental illness. For the program need and costs, we only need typewriting papers, rental computers, and printing. Explanation, justification, materials needed for the proposal of the program. Cost estimate: 350 pesos. Persons responsible: selected grade 11 students and teachers. That is for our explanation about the program. Thank you for listening.